Today I'll be reviewing the Slice Mini Box Cutter. This is the device right here. You can see there. I really enjoyed having this because of its lack of sharp edges. Let me explain. It retracts automatically. See if you can see, there it goes on that side. See how it comes up and down, and then let me show you this. You can run your finger over it. I'll do it a little bit closer. And it's a plastic and it doesn't harm you. It can be used right-handed or left-handed. And it's wonderful because you can, when you're doing your box cutting, you can literally take your thumb, press it up and hold it, okay? Let me show you how wonderful this cuts a box open. Okay, here's my box. I'm going to kind of rest it here. Look at this. How easy. And then a little bit right there, and a little bit right there. Easy, easy, easy. And then let's do the opposite. Let's do this side here. And voila, you see it open perfectly, perfectly. It is just a wonderful, wonderful device to have. It's very compact, so it fits in a drawer very easily. When you let your thumb off, it's going to retract anyway. So the only way it's going to work is if you've got your thumb holding the green lever right there. It's a wonderful device. It's a great device, especially if you have small children, something like that in the house, and you do get maybe a lot of packages. So I encourage you. I really have enjoyed it, and I have had it for many years. This is the only blade that I have ever used with it, and it's still working perfectly fine for me. So I really do enjoy it. I think you will too. This is a wonderful addition to your household.